searched the sky and ended counting every star. I've walked the ground till my legs would move no more. I've swept the tide, meeting every grain of sand, and I'm yet to find just an ordinary man. I've read the books, marking as I go. I've changed my looks, I've tried to let her know. I've caught some eyes, but none have blinded me. So tell me why is he hiding? I'm just an ordinary girl, trying to find a friend. I won't believe the lies they lead, just to please the other searching suckers out there. My only joy, an ordinary boy. So here I wait, in line with every other girl that wants the same, not to go to sleep alone. We've paid the fee, bargained our way to the front, but all we see are fools that think that all we want. A table set for two, a spoon to share with you, a car to take me home.